Hi and welcome back to yet another video of Me's Lifestyle, and this is Kshitij Bhatnagar, and I hope you're doing well. I know we are meeting after a very long time, and I'm trying to make as much videos as I can from now onwards, because we are into 2021, and though not कुछ ऐसा मेजर नहीं चेंज आया है, बट दैट्स ओनली बिकॉज हमने खुद को चेंज नहीं किया है. एंड इफ़ यू नो दिस फैक्ट कि जो भी मेजर चेंज होता है दैट स्टार्ट्स एंड इनिशिएट्स विद यू, विद चेंजिंग योर सेल्फ ऑन हाउ यू आर गोना अप्रोच everything this year. So we're gonna understand that today. We're gonna understand how a different approach and how seeing things in a different perspective will help you grow, will help you change whatever you've been through in the last year. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's admit to the fact that last year was not good for anyone, and let's admit to the fact that we have to work together to make this year even more, not even more, we'll say a lot more wonderful and pleasant and kind and happy than what we were going through last year. तो दो चार बिग स्टेप्स हैं, कुछ बड़े कदम उठाने पड़ेंगे तुम्हें, which will include somehow restarting yourself. By restarting yourself, I mean you have to reorganize everything. Go through yourself, अपना खुद का SWOT analysis करो, and what went wrong last year, what have you been missing all these years, and इस साल को ऐसी वेस्ट मत जाने दो. Take this as a new beginning altogether. New beginning, new personality. I know ये बहुत cliche sound कर रहा है, this might sound really cliche, but if you start working on this so-called cliche shit like new year, new me, you'll actually see results. I'm not just putting this on you, and this year I'm trying to work on myself as well, which I haven't done, which I've made resolutions for the past, as long as I can remember. I've made shitty resolutions all my life, every year, but I never really fulfilled them, never really went through them. But this year, for a change, my only resolution is to actually act on the resolutions that I've kept in my mind for all these years, like changing myself even a little bit in every single department: my physical health, my mental health, how I organize my life, how I organize my things, how I do a certain task, be it जितनी भी बड़ी चीज हो, बड़ी से बड़ी चीज को लेके छोटी से छोटी चीज तक, try and change yourself, and वो अप्रोच जो है ना, उस अप्रोच को नया कर दो. go through that same shit, get through it, and अच्छा ठीक है, there might be a problem. For example, you might be dreaming of starting a startup with your friend for probably a long time, and trust me, I get it, and it's very difficult, and it feels very lazy at first, because if you're gonna start a startup, it will take all of you, मतलब पूरा हेड से लेके टो तक सारा concentration should be on it if you really want it to succeed. And the change you have to bring in yourself, कि वो जो चीज़ आप पूरी लाइफ भर प्लान कर रहे हो अपने दोस्त के साथ, उस चीज़ में जो छोटा सा चेंज आना चाहिए is you should actually start this year. Actually go through it, actually plan it out and see. पता है, एक बार आपने अपनी डायरी में लिखना शुरू किया कि first I'll do this thing, first I'll be it any startup, first I'll write down the things कि इसमें सबसे basic requirements क्या क्या हैं. First, then I'll go through the skills. How many skills do I have जो मुझे इस startup को चलाने के लिए चाहिए, and then I'll see if मुझ में कुछ कमी है. I might even work on that if I'm running low on my investment. तो आपको ना इनिशियली बहुत सारी चीज़ें करनी पड़ेंगी. in a startup. So वो सारी चीज़ें देखना, वो सारी चीज़ें प्लान करना, स्टार्ट एटलीस्ट प्लानिंग आउट थिंग्स. एंड एक और चीज़ अपने अंदर बांध दो, इफ़ यू प्लान आउट समथिंग, एग्जीक्यूट इट. उसको सिर्फ डायरी में एक पेज पे लिख के छोड़ो मत. यू नो, इफ़ यू प्लान समथिंग, एग्जीक्यूट इट, स्टार्ट एग्जीक्यूटिंग इट, बी इट कितना भी डिफिकल्ट. बट द ओनली थिंग यू नीड टू रिमेंबर व्हेन यू आर गोइंग थ्रू इट इज दैट यू नो टाइम निकल रहा है, एंड यू डोंट वांट टू रिग्रेट that you wasted so much time just because you felt lazy that day. Maybe, you know, वो चीज़ जो होगी ना, after a while, after these very long years, you'll realize कि काश उस दिन वो start कर लिया होता मैंने, काश मैं उस दिन उस चीज़ पे execute कर चुका होता. And ये चीज़ बहुत hurtful होती है, बहुत pain देती है बाद में. And I'm not just putting this on you. We're gonna work together on this. Okay, for example, I've made my resolution that I'm gonna give out more videos than I've ever given out. I'm trying to I'll try to generate as much content as I could. I'll try to motivate you as much as I could. I'll try to fulfill my motto of starting this channel this year. I'll try to fulfill it as much as I can, you know. So with me, if I'm working, if you're actually following me, if I'm working, you should work with me too. That'll help. With that said, I really hope that हाँ ये बहुत छोटी वीडियो थी, but I promise I'm gonna come up with a more specific thing that I need you to focus on, because I have some things planned. I have some videos planned, upcoming videos planned, and I really hope that they're gonna help you for whatever shit you're planning. You know, whatever crazy ideas you have in mind, you want to execute this year, you want to go through it, you want to actually start winning. So without further ado, let's start, you know, winning for a change. Let's take this resolution that whatever department we've been lagging on for our entire fucking lives, we're gonna work on them, we're gonna start winning on them, and we're gonna feel how it feels to win, how it is. You know, that experience that you've won something, that experience that you've overcome your fears is something different, something totally different. So yeah, we're gonna work on that thing together. And with that said, I'll wrap up this video here, and I'll see you in the next video, which is coming very soon, because I've been working on that already. So it was just probably an announcement video for my upcoming content, which is gonna be amazing. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, start winning, and also subscribe to my channel. Give a thumbs up to this video, because you know I need motivation to, I just need motivation. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, tada.